I would like to announce Vista Real's newest graduate, Karina Bautista.
Because at my lowest point, when I felt like I couldn't do it anymore, you guys were there to like tell me to just take it one step at a time. And you guys never once made me feel bad for the shortcomings unlike other people have. You guys assured me that what I was doing was enough. Even when I felt like it wasn't, you guys were there to tell me that I was doing just fine.
Big hug.
Oh, you're here.
I can't believe I actually finished.
You did it.